Now, celebrated singer Zubeen Garg died on September 19th. A special investigation team conducted a raid at late Zubeen Garg's manager's home as part of his death probe. The raid was conducted earlier this week on Thursday, in lieu of which CID officers reached the complex in morning and waited outside the three-story building for almost 2 hours before carrying out the raid. A 3 BHK unit on the third floor of the building, flat 3A, was searched in presence of a magistrate. Now take a look at the reactions coming in.
A massive rally, a candlelight vigil led by the All Assam Students Union along with civil society groups and normal citizens of Guwahati has been taken out to pay a tribute to Zubeen Garg, as well as they are asking for justice for Zubeen Garg. Remember, after Zubeen Garg's final rites, now with every passing day, there is a growing demand across Assam of justice for Zubeen Garg, because there is a general feeling among the people that there has been some sort of conspiracy or a major negligence by the program organizers as well as Zubeen Garg's manager. What is the main demand that you're placing?
The heartthrob Zubeen Garg has passed away, and there are mysteries relating to the death of the Zubeen Garg. So the mystery relating to the death of the heartthrob of Assam must be resolved. So it is a protest on the street demanding justice for our heartthrob Zubeen Garg. See, it was due to the negligence of Syam Kanu Mohanto, the organizer of Northeast Festival, Siddharth Sharma, the manager of Zubeen Garg, and all other people of Singapore Assam Association who were present at the last time of Zubeen Garg. It is due to their negligence Zubeen Garg went to swimming in the sea and he died. So we don't want any question to remain unresolved relating to the death of Zubeen Garg. Every question, every mystery must be resolved. Zubeen Garg must get justice. Justice must be imparted to the family of Zubeen Garg.
So there you are, the leaders of All Assam Students Union along with the civilians here in Guwahati are demanding that all the mystery related to Zubeen Garg's death needs to be resolved by the SIT of Assam CID. The pressure on Assam government is mounting with every passing day. People want answers from the government, and they want the government to find out how exactly Zubeen Garg died in Singapore.